Welcome to Future Tech. Do you ever dream of a garden that thrives even when you don't? Imagine flourishing vegetables, vibrant flowers, and healthy herbs, all flourishing with minimal effort on your part. Well, the future of gardening is here, and it's powered by technology. This video will show you how to modernize your home garden with AI, artificial intelligence, and IoT, Internet of Things, for a smarter and greener experience. We all know the challenges of traditional gardening. Unpredictable weather, inconsistent watering, and pest control can leave even the most dedicated gardener frustrated. But what if you could automate tasks, monitor conditions in real time, and optimize your garden's growth based on data? That's the magic of AI and IoT. So, why should you consider this tech-driven approach? There are several compelling reasons. Effortless maintenance. Imagine a garden that practically takes care of itself. Automated watering systems and smart sensors eliminate guesswork and ensure your plants receive the perfect amount of water, even when you're away. Data-driven decisions. AI analyzes real-time data on temperature, humidity, and even soil moisture. This information helps you understand your garden's needs and make informed decisions about fertilization, pest control, and overall plant health. Improved growth and yield. By providing optimal growing conditions, AI and IoT can significantly improve plant growth and yield. Enjoy bigger, tastier vegetables, more vibrant flowers, and a more productive garden overall. Water conservation. Traditional watering methods can be wasteful. Smart systems allow for precise water delivery, minimizing waste and promoting sustainability in your gardening practices. Peace of mind. Whether you're away on vacation or simply busy with life, AI and IoT ensure your garden thrives. You can monitor conditions remotely and receive alerts if any issues arise. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of smart gardening technologies. Smart irrigation systems. These systems use sensors to monitor soil moisture and automatically deliver water directly to the plant's roots. This eliminates overwatering and ensures your plants receive the perfect amount of hydration. Weather stations. Miniature weather stations collect real-time data on temperature, humidity, and even sunlight exposure. This information is fed into the AI system, allowing it to adjust watering schedules and other parameters based on the changing weather. Soil moisture sensors. These sensors are inserted directly into the soil and measure its moisture content. The AI system uses this data to determine when and how much water is needed. Smart plant pots. These innovative pots come equipped with sensors that monitor soil moisture, light levels, and even nutrient content. They can connect to a smartphone app, providing you with a complete picture of your plant's health. AI-powered gardening apps. These user-friendly apps integrate with your smart garden devices and provide valuable insights. They can offer personalized plant care recommendations, suggest ideal planting times, and even identify potential problems based on visual analysis of your plants. Smart gardening goes beyond just watering. Here are some additional features that can take your garden to the next level. Automated lighting systems. Smart lights can adjust light intensity and duration based on the specific needs of your plants. This is particularly helpful for indoor gardens or for providing supplemental lighting during the winter months. Pest control monitoring. Some systems use cameras or sensors to identify potential pest problems early on. The AI can then recommend organic pest control solutions or even trigger automated deterrents. Nutrient delivery systems. Advanced systems can automatically deliver the right amount of nutrients to your plants based on their growth stage and specific needs. Ready to experience the future of gardening? Getting started is easier than you might think. Identify your needs, consider your existing garden setup, and decide which technologies can best benefit you. Here are some questions to guide you. Space. Do you have a sprawling backyard garden, a small balcony space, or something in between? Smart irrigation systems might be ideal for larger gardens, while compact smart pots could be perfect for balconies. Plant types. Are you growing vegetables, herbs, flowers, or a combination? Some smart technologies cater to specific needs. For example, automated lighting systems can be particularly beneficial for indoor plants or those requiring extended daylight hours. Budget. Smart gardening tools range in price. Decide how much you're comfortable investing and choose technologies that fit your budget. Level of automation. Do you want a fully automated garden with minimal intervention, or are you comfortable with a semi-automated setup that still requires some manual care? Consider your desired level of involvement. Here are some examples of how to tailor smart gardening to your specific needs. Small balcony garden. Smart planters with integrated watering and lighting systems are ideal for maximizing space and providing optimal conditions for your balcony herbs or flowers. Large vegetable patch. Invest in a smart irrigation system with moisture sensors to ensure even watering across your entire vegetable plot. Weather stations can also be helpful for monitoring conditions and adjusting watering schedules accordingly. Indoor herb garden. Smart grow lights can provide supplemental lighting for your indoor herbs, promoting healthy growth and year-round harvests. Smart pots with built-in sensors can monitor moisture and nutrient levels, taking the guesswork out of caring for your herbs. By considering your existing garden setup and specific needs, you can choose the smart gardening technologies that will have the most significant impact on your success and enjoyment. From effortless maintenance to improved yields and peace of mind, the benefits of AI and IoT in home gardening are undeniable. Imagine strolling through your flourishing garden knowing that technology is silently working behind the scenes to ensure optimal conditions for your plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these innovative tools can elevate your experience and cultivate a vibrant, thriving oasis right at home. So, are you ready to join the smart gardening revolution? The future of green thumbs is bright, and it's powered by technology. Here's what you can do. Head over to the comments section below and tell us what excites you most about AI and IoT gardening. Do you dream of a perfectly watered herb garden? Or are you curious about automated lighting for your indoor plants? Share your thoughts, and let's get the conversation growing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on innovative gardening techniques and the latest advancements in sustainable agriculture. Together, let's explore the future of food and cultivate a greener, more technology-driven world, one garden at a time. Happy gardening!